Hi everyone, my name is Nur Emilia Syahira binti Muhammad Nazri and my metric number is 308115. So today, I would like to make a short video on how to measure a grip size for my golf club fitting and repair subject. Do you know how to use a golf club? If you don't know, you must watch my video. So let's get started. Let's go!
For the first method, we use the two middle fingers to check whether the grip size fits correctly. If your middle fingers leave a noticeable gap from the heel of your palm, the grip is too large, also known as oversized. If your middle fingers lightly touch the palm, this is the ideal or standard size, meaning the grip fits perfectly for most golfers. But if your middle fingers press too deeply into the heel of your palm, then the grip is too small, which we call undersized. For the second method, measure from the base of your palm near the wrist to the tip of your middle finger. There are different grip sizes available, and you can refer to the chart to see which size suits you best. For me, I'm 7-inch, which places me in the standard category. Lastly, for the golf glove measurement, the concept is almost the same as choosing grip size. Your glove size generally represents your hand size, so you can also follow the chart for guidance. If the grip is oversized, it may cause too much wrist action, keeping the club face open and sending the ball to the right. If the grip is undersized, you may lose swing speed and struggle to square the club face at impact, which can cause the ball to go left. A proper standard grip size helps golfers feel comfortable, confident, and in control during the swing.
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye!